Morning YouTubians, Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's kind of overcast, a little cloudy, a little muggy this morning, but we're going to work. Remember that 58 I showed you? It's coming home. It found a home. So today we need to head over and start the rescue process to get it roadworthy enough to be towed home. So we got some tools with us, a couple old spare tires that are decent, minor dry rot, no rim, but we have access to a tire machine. So we're gonna go over, see what all we can get done, see what other spare parts we can find. I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can get it home today. And I was talking with our little buddy Vinny. Some of you guys may not know Vinny or remember Vinny, but Vinny is the keeper of the garage. And Vinny says we need another Volkswagen at home. So follow us, guys. Let's see what kind of work we can get done today. Made it over. First thing first is we need to get cleaned up over here. Go ahead and install the transmission. Get that installed, get that in place. It's sitting here, it's just a matter of finding the bolts. Go ahead and get her installed. Then we'll at least go ahead and find some rollers for the back. Get it down off jack stands. Yeah, we're getting there. We'll make her happen. So let's see how much Levi and I struggle getting that tranny in place. Come on.
Why?
Crack axle nut down.
Fine.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right.
Going?
Yep.
Or, yeah, keep going, right?
No. No. Off.
Oh.
All right, we can get a cotter pin through there now, so let's go do the other side. Transmission mounts are in. They're hard mounts, but they're in. Found a couple bolts for the axles. Crank her down.
Second?
Yep.
Alright.
And we can get a cotter pin through there.
Nice.
Perfect. All right. Getting closer. Oh, these should work for a little bit at least.
Yeah. True that. True that.
All right, you want to hand me there, Chuck?
Yep. Merry Christmas.
They're pretty dry rotted, but
Should work.
should work
For now.
for now.
You're recording.
Might have to find some different tires. Can you see the dry rot? Which, honestly, we're only about 6 miles away. But after I put this one on, started looking at it. Hold on. Let's check the other side. Yeah, we might want to find different tires, even though those look so freaking cool on the back. Let's go dig around and see what we can find. Well, there we go. It's a roller. Still not sure those tires will get us home, but unfortunately today, we're not gonna be able to actually drag her home. We gotta make room at the homestead. But it's a roller. These are actually 2 old tires from Jawbreaker I had laying around, so those are stock size. Yeah, little by little, still got to find a hood, some rear fenders. We got some digging to do up here. See how much parts we can fill in the car. Since we have no window, we got another wide 5 smoothie, fenders, front bumper. We got front seats, back seat. Down there we've got another beam. I'll fill you in why. And once we get this rolled out of the way, we gotta start cutting this up. This thing's mint. As 5150 would call it. This thing is pristine. But we're gonna flip this over, cut the frame head out of it, cut the roof off, pull windows, and this will actually be just a parts car. There's really not much here. Everything is really crusty. I mean, even the back bumper is crusty. This thing's been sitting in the ground for years. Engine's locked up. So we're just a little bit of parts here and there. We thought the back was good, but it's done. It's done. Emblems are even missing. So, we got work to do. We're gonna get back at it. All right, after lots of pushing, we found out one of the front brake drums is holding us up a little bit, but it's a roller. Got a bunch of fun stuff inside. Lots of good parts. Still need lots of parts. So if you got parts, hit me up. Let me know what you got. And I'll let you know what I need as I start maneuvering around some more. So, as always, appreciate you guys coming along. It's extremely hot. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I get hangry. And this thing, next time you see it, we're gonna be dragging it home. That's right. I gotta go home now and make room for this. And beg the wife not to kill me. So, till the next time, you guys be good.